back, guys. So yes, I'm not testing, I'm just doing a live trade on V75. So let's just wait. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, it's in support zone. Okay, yeah, let's boom. Yep, yep, I'm in profit, I'm in fucking profit. Yeah, yeah, baby. Okay, so there was this reason behind this trade. Okay, I took this trade on verified support because of the high pressure, high selling pressure. Yeah, that's why I took this trade. This is the support zone. Okay, $20 is enough. Yep, I'm out. Yeah, boom, man. $19 profit in seconds. This is the power of this indicator. Yep, yep. Okay, yeah. This is the so there is a reason behind this scalp trade. Okay, so the price in support area, but I took sell trade because of this moving average plus this arrow indicator, non-repaint indicator. Okay, just indicated me that it will go down for a short time. Okay, because this arrow at the support zone, that is the reason that this will be our double bottom. Okay, so that's why I took high leverage. Okay, that's why I earned $19 in some seconds. This is how you can scalp on 1 minute time frame with the system. But if you're not experienced enough, kindly do not scalp trade. Just do on 1 hour and 15-minute time frames.